Hello everyone, in this short video I am going to show you how you can insert a fade in or fade out effect on your audio that you import or that you are using on Filmora 13. So normally what happens is that the fade in and fade out effect or transition, we have to add it from the effects section in most of the software. So that is where I was actually searching for, but Filmora made it a bit easier to do. So what you need to do is that when you import a video, then you will see the audio is included in this video, right? So first of all, what you need to do, you need to detach the audio. So now as you can see, it is detached. You can move it. So to add a fade in, first of all, before I start this one, let's see how the audio actually sounds right now. I'm gonna increase the gain so you can listen to it better. So this is the current audio, or this is the current gain of or the volume of the audio. So what I need to do to add a fade in account, as you can see, there's a brown marker right here, right? So brown dot right here. So what you need to do, you need to push it on the right side. So as you do it, then it will add a fade in section. So it will I am not sure if you can see this, but there's a black background behind this audio levels. So when you move this one, I hope you can see it better now. When you move this dot, it will create a fade in effect, and the same thing goes for fade out effect as well. You will find the fade out effect dot at the end of the audio, so you need to push it on the left side. So let's see how it sounds right now. So for better clarification, I'm going to move it to more right, and let's see how it sounds right now. So as you can see, the volume is increasing bit by bit. So let's see how the fade out sounds right now. Let's see the normal option. So this is the normal, this is how it normally sounds. So let's add a fade out option, and let me show you how it sounds. So that's how it sounds. So this is how you can add a fade in and fade out effect in Filmora 13. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and that's about it. Take care.